So daily scrum meeting here. So the next day one, we don't have this daily scrum meeting. So this daily scrum meeting starts from day 2. So on day 2, the day first day event, everybody, suppose if your team having like team comes morning 9 o'clock, or consider whole team comes at 10 o'clock. Okay. So 10 a.m. is the ideal time to fix this daily stand-up call. Or see, I'm calling a daily stand-up. So people, this is a daily scrum meeting, but we call it as daily stand-up call. Even here, you can see this meeting is also referred to as daily stand-up call. The intent is, as this meeting is only 15 minutes meeting, and here just we need to focus on 3 points: what you did yesterday, what you are going to do today, and is there any impediments. Impediments means, do you have any problems or any issues. So this you are clearly on day one. If you are giving an estimation, so yesterday I attended for sprint planning meeting and created necessary subtasks. Then when it comes to today, okay, today means here we are on day 2, just started. So I'm going to pick so and so subtask, or already at 10 o'clock before you came at by 9:30 itself. Then you can mention I picked so and so 3, 4, 5, 6 card, and I started working. Maybe on day 2 just you started, so that you may not have any impediments, no issues. So you can say, today I don't have any issues so far. And next day again, day 3, this daily scrum meeting starts. At that time, what you did yesterday means so and so subtask 3, 4, 5, 6. So yesterday I worked on 3, 4, 5, 6 subtasks and I have completed. And today I started working on 7, 5, 6, 8, which is in progress currently. And do you have any impediments? Means yes, when I pick 7, 4, 5, 6 card, I'm seeing I have a challenge here. So you have a challenge. So with whom you need some help. It's Scrum Master's responsibility. If a person has any problems, means here problems means 2 things. If you have a technical problem, so for that Scrum Master, how the Scrum Master will help is, with which person you have need clarification, he or she, Scrum Master, will arrange a meeting post this daily Scrum meeting. So daily Scrum meeting basically 15 minutes, and if you in the real time, what we will do is, it's overall we call it as 30. Daily Scrum is 15 minutes only standard, and after that there is another meeting invite immediately with the same meeting only, another 15 minutes, that we call it as talking points. So talking points here, if no one has a talking point, then meeting will close as per plan within 15 minutes, if any talking points. And here the talking points means people who has impediments and with whom. So we have overall 9 resources in the team. Only Mr. C and Mr. E, means C has an impediment and E is the person who the C is expecting help. Then there is no required of all the remaining people to be on this meeting. Only C and E, if they two will continue, that may even Scrum Master or product owner, based on the necessity, the people can stay, or else everyone can drop. Only C and E will discuss and get clarification on their requirement. And here one more point I would like to bring is, for any question you no need to wait till next day Scrum meeting. If you have any impediment today itself, after a daily stand-up meeting happened within 1 or 2 hours also, you are always feel free to reach your team or with Scrum Master or with product owner. There is no restriction to wait until the last minute of the meeting. Okay.